Hey, and welcome to English with Boudj. Today's lesson is lesson number 3. So, today we're going to do grammar. Um, we are going to talk about verbs and tenses. So, today's lesson is very important. So, I'm going to ask you to pay a lot of attention to understand more. So, if we are going to talk about tenses, first of all, we need to know the definition of the verb. If you don't know what a verb is, you should watch the previous video that I did about infinitive verbs. It's okay, I'm going to repeat it. So, a verb, it's simply a word that describes an occurrence or a status or an action. So the verb in English could be um, conjugated or transformed into three tenses. So there are three familiar tenses in the English language. So there's the past tense, the present tense, and the future tense. So each and every tense has its rules and situation to use it. So you should remember that. Let me remind you that every tense has its rules and situation to use it. Now we are going to see all the tenses that English language contains. All right. So we are going to see them in general. We are not going to dig in or like go deep into the specific rules and everything. Today is about learning the English language tenses in general. All right. As I said before, we have three types of tenses. We have the past tense, the present tense, and the future tense. What we should know now that the category of the past tenses also contains four situations of tenses, and the same goes to the category of present tenses and the future tenses. So each and every tense of those 12 tenses has its own rules and situations to use it. Remember that, okay? So every tense in English, in the English language, whatsoever, whatever it was, past tense or present tense or future tense, they contain a simple tense, as we can see at the first line. So the verb has four tense situations. So we are talking about the simple one, and there is the perfect one, as you can see, and there is the continuous one, and there is the perfect continuous one. So please, guys, don't waste my effort because like I'm really trying here to make you understand. So you need to put an effort into it, and I can assure you that with time you will be perfect. All right? So if you guys have any question or a note, or you want me to do some lessons for you, like lessons that you don't understand, just comment and I will be pleased to make you understand more English language. Thank you very much.